Oh hey, John here at the Old Guy Woodworks shop. Since I'm a one-man shop, then I guess that makes me the old guy? Well, even though I'm a one-man shop, I still have a creative director who oversees everything. Want to see what we do here? Come on in, let me show you around. This is the cleanest the shop has been in a long time. My shop is in the back of an 18 by 55 foot, 14 foot high RV garage, and right now it's really clean. But that's because the front of the garage looks like this. Grandkids train, my dust collector with a themed baffle in it, big old white oak slab, lumber cart with spare parts, tool chest, all separated by a big old plastic curtain. It keeps the dust out of the garage where the car is and keeps the cold in. Air conditioning's a must in Northwest Arizona. This is my all-wood homemade CNC. And if you don't have one, you need one. My CNC is 4 foot by 8 foot. That's because I like to make cabinet parts on it and build really big stuff. A CNC can make you look like a rock star or a wood star. Some of you say CNC is cheating. Fact of the matter is, everything I do on the CNC, 90% of it, I've done by hand. Well, except for some of that really fine engraving. This whole workspace is actually mobile. These two outfeed tables can come out and make any kind of configuration that you care to make. This is pretty much my normal workspace. And here I've got my Delta contractor saw that I've had for probably 20 years. And this is my router table that I've had for probably just about as long. I inherited this air compressor from my dad. He bought this when I was about 16 years old. That was a while ago. The top comes off this cabinet, so I can bring out my edge bender and use it on the bench. Built-in miter station with dust collection, 80/20 aluminum extrusion for the fence, and a bunch of cabinets for storage. Newest additions to the shop are a Powermatic drum sander and a Rikon 14-inch bandsaw. So I do build stuff. Oh, what's stuff? Stuff is entertainment centers, patios, dressers, jewelry armoires, Murphy beds, resin coffee tables, desks, kitchen cabinets, sideboards, headboards, shop cabinets, butcher blocks, cutting boards. I will build anything. And since I don't get sponsored by anybody, I'm in the lifelong process of collecting tools. Now, if you want to be in a community where we collect tools, build projects, share techniques, and exchange ideas, leave a comment, subscribe, and watch these videos.